I'm bored, Dad. Got another one.
That's his spot.
Oh!
Oh, it's like babies.
Lots of spiders. Can you catch him? Can you catch him? Where are they? Bored now. Thank you. Are you all, Dad? Bored now.
Get spiders.
Catch him. Catch him with your paw. Catch him with your paw. Can't eat him. Oh,
you got him.
You got him, Milo. Good
Knocked him over.
boy. Get him again. Get him again. Where have you gone? Where have you gone? Oh, get him. Go on, Milo. Go on, get him.
There they gone. They're off there. Good boy. Milo, what's this?
I think he thinks that's a little bit big for him to tackle. Because he's a wuss. What do you think?
He's looking at the speaker. Get it with your paw.
He's looking for the noise.
Yeah.
He was better
Clever
without it,
boy.
wasn't he?
You're a
You are
clever boy.
clever. Hey, Scrumpalumps. Hey, Scrumpalumps. Ew. Says, I might be a little bit interested. Just kind of have another look. Just have another peek. That's
Oi!
the magazine.
Oi! No bloody mouse under there, you little twat.
What you doing, Mr. McGowan? What you doing? I think there's something under there. Oh, careful! 400 quid's worth of iPad. There's teeth around it. You're naughty. I think we better turn the mousey off. All the noise, anyway. It's not a birdie, is it? Is it a big fat chicken? Well, he's not going to know. He's not going to know that's a bird. It's ridiculous. That's the most ridiculous looking bird I've ever seen in my life.
He likes it, look.
Whoa! Do you like the big fat puffed up chicken? Get it, get it, get it. Go on. Clever boy.
Where's it gone?
Where's it gone? Here it comes. God. Actually, it's better than any of them. It's caught your little cat-like imagination, has it?
Where's it gone?
Birdie. Okay. Here it comes. What's that? Oh, he's running away.
Get it.
Here he comes.
Oh, let's have a clean first.
Ah, you missed him.
Uh-oh.
Oh, he's going to get you. He's going to get you.
Oh, where's he gone? He's on his tail. Oh.